Hello everyone, welcome to my blog or YouTube channel. It's time for another simple classic that pretty much everyone loves. Today I'm making deep fried breaded chicken wings. This is the very basic recipe, without any special tweaks or tricks, and I don't think it gets any easier. Let's cook! Let's prepare the chicken wings first. We need 3 or 4 wings per person. I'm working with about 15 today. I have already removed the tips and now it's time to divide the remaining parts in 2 pieces. Simply cut through the joint. It goes really easily. You just have to hit the right spot. Now it's time to season our chicken wings. Start with 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a generous amount of salt and black pepper. And finish it up with a teaspoon of red paprika. Use your hands to mix everything up to distribute the seasonings. The red paprika will help us as a marker. Once every piece is red from all sides, you know you've mixed well. The next step is to prepare the breading ingredients. I'm using all-purpose flour mixed with cornstarch at a 1:1 ratio. This way the breading layer will be more crispy. We will need about 3 eggs for this amount of chicken wings. Season with salt and pepper and beat them properly. Now coat each piece with the flour and starch mixture. Then dip it in the beaten eggs and finish it up with plain breadcrumbs. Since both the wings and eggs are seasoned already, there is no need to season the breadcrumbs anymore. Repeat the process until all of our chicken wings are breaded and ready to fry. Heat up a nice amount of vegetable oil in a frying pan. Medium-high temperature is perfect. Do not crowd the pan too much. We want to leave some space between the pieces, so the edges can fry nicely too. Fry until the bottom part turns golden brown, then flip all the pieces. I flip each piece twice and also move them around the pan while doing so, as the oil is always the hottest in the center. This way you will make sure all the wings are evenly cooked. Place the finished chicken wings on a paper towel to get rid of the excess fat and continue with the second batch. Once all of the wings are perfectly fried, it's time to serve. You can serve these breaded chicken wings with a range of side dishes. My choice for today are French fries and a simple coleslaw salad. And that's it, thanks for watching. Did you like this video? Please subscribe to stay informed when I upload a new one. See you next time!